fun is okay. Get some love in your life, whether that be another person or just loving yourself, man. Love is good. Spread love. Spread love.
Scrambled egg with kamatis and for breakfast, and this one for my baon, corned beef with egg. So yeah.
Mag-uwi ng mga babae.
Pero hindi mag-uwi sa boarding house. It's what? Today is March 27 and kakauwi ko lang kanina, from duty, yes. And we had a quick break muna before kami mag-discuss again and finish all the tasks. So it's currently 6:55 p.m. and we have to cram a lot of parts doon sa presentation namin para bukas. And guess what? What do we have again? We have this thing and a bang bang kailan si Botis, of course, with my money still. And we have our baon. I'm gonna show you guys my baon. But first, the bag, this cutesy bag I bought from Japan Surplus. We're gonna bring a few candy. I think isa lang nalagay ko, isang candy. Bang bang. Stain, we need to have our first shot. Okay. Headphones? Whatever. And wallet. My, DIY wallet. We need to hulog kasi for Wi-Fi. And of course, my tablet. We're gonna pack them all kasi mag 7 p.m. na. 7 p.m. ang, namin. Okay, stay. And you're coming with me tonight. And my phone. So,